Welcome to Anthony's Crossroad Garage. Alright, we got the fuel cell and transmission in this. Now, we'll see if we can't bring this paint back to shine. We were going to have a little bit of patina. It's fine. And just some clean up rust holes, which are fine. But we're going to try to see if we can't get this paint to shine again. She's almost too hot right now to buff. So I'll probably have to pull underneath the tree here a little bit. But I have never washed this car since I've gotten it. That means no bath for 30 years too. So let's give it a bath. Now, it's got a lot of grime and everything else on it. Whatever. Walker, bud, Walker! Red! Or my camera, because it ain't working right. What in the world?
Hey, I'm in a bathtub. You got it?
Oh Lord. Alright. Alright, we're going to try to buff this out and see what we got here compared to that over here to this.
Bill wanted it.
think she's gonna shine up.
Dad, help! Ready?
Got some buffing done. Buff. Hot buff. And you can see on top the clear difference.
So ride your bike.
Just keep on running this buffer. Alright, well I buffed the whole thing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start on this chrome. Before I start on all this chrome, we'll go ahead and hit these tires. And the wheels and everything. I already polished these a long time ago. Seem pretty decent still. Choose this other one. What do you expect for 60 years old? But those wheels look pretty good. Alright, get all polished up and buffed, and let's go ahead and do a walk around on it. Now I'm done with this video. I thought it was done earlier, but now I'm done now. Well, I would like to show you the inside, but it's pretty nasty. I haven't cleaned it yet. That's all I got for this video. Until next time, see you around.
Tony's mic wasn't picking anything up for some reason. The Rambler lost reverse all of a sudden for this short video. The tubes were loose in the bottom of the valve body. Some slight tweaking, and they went back in tight. Reverse has returned to the Chat Q Country roads.
Country road, take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, oh take me home. Country roads, how much Halifax, West Virginia, the right mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees. You can get down the mountain, blow it like a breeze. Country road, taking me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, oh take me home. Country roads,